Hello, space explorers. Welcome to Discover with Momina, your favorite channel for learning about the wonders of the universe. Today, we'll talk about the most exciting space events happening in 2025. These events are not just amazing to see, but also teach us more about our universe. Let's dive in. A bright start quadrantid meteor shower. The year begins with the quadrantid meteor shower on January 3rd and 4th. This meteor shower happens when Earth moves through leftover dust and rocks from a comet or asteroid. These tiny pieces burn in our atmosphere, creating beautiful streaks of light in the sky. Where to see it? People in the northern hemisphere can see it best after midnight. Go somewhere dark, away from city lights. Planetary conjunction, Venus meets Saturn. On January 17th and 18th, Venus and Saturn will come very close to each other in the sky. This is called a conjunction. Venus will shine brightly next to Saturn, making it a treat to watch. Conjunctions remind us how planets move around the sun. Where to see it? Look at the southwestern sky after sunset. You don't need a telescope, but binoculars will make it even better. Mars at opposition, closest to Earth. On January 16th, Mars will be at opposition. This means it will be on the opposite side of Earth from the sun, making it brighter and easier to see. This is the best time to look at Mars through a telescope and spot its features, like polar ice caps. Where to see it? You can see Mars from anywhere in the world. Just look up after sunset. Moon hides the Pleiades. On January 9th, the moon will pass in front of the Pleiades star cluster, also known as the Seven Sisters. For a short time, the stars will disappear behind the moon. This is called an occultation. Occultations help scientists understand the moon's motion. Where to see it? This event is visible in parts of Europe, Asia, and North America. Use binoculars for a closer look. March eclipses, lunar and solar too. Amazing events happen in March. On March 13th and 14th, there will be a total lunar eclipse, where the moon turns red, a blood moon, as it passes through Earth's shadow. Later, on March 29th, a partial solar eclipse will occur, where the moon partially blocks the sun. Lunar eclipses show the alignment of the Earth, Moon, and Sun, while solar eclipses highlight the moon's size compared to the sun. Where to see them? The lunar eclipse can be seen in the Americas, while the solar eclipse will be visible in parts of Europe, Africa, and Asia. The Perseid meteor shower. On August 12th and 13th, the Perseid meteor shower will peak. This meteor shower is caused by Earth passing through dust from Comet Swift-Tuttle. You'll see bright and colorful meteors lighting up the sky. Meteor showers are reminders of the trails left by comets in space. Where to see it? The northern hemisphere is the best place to watch after midnight in a dark area. 3 supermoons in a row. October, November, and December will bring 3 supermoons. A supermoon happens when the moon is closest to Earth, making it look bigger and brighter. These events show how the moon's orbit around Earth isn't a perfect circle. Where to see them? Supermoons can be seen all over the world. The geminid meteor shower. The year ends with the geminid meteor shower on December 13th and 14th. These meteors come from debris left by an asteroid called 3200 Phaethon. Geminids are special because they come from an asteroid, not a comet. Where to see it? Both hemispheres can enjoy this, with the best views in the northern hemisphere after midnight. Exciting space missions in 2025. China's Tianwen-2 mission aims to bring back samples from an asteroid and study a comet. Haven 1, the first private crewed space station for research and luxury. NASA's SPHEREx mission will study galaxies and the origins of water in the universe. These missions help us understand the origins of space objects and expand our knowledge of the universe. Stay curious. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the wonders of 2025. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Discover with Momina for more exciting space updates. Keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next video.